What's going on, guys? In this video, let's work on our balance a little bit. And the reason is that I don't believe that most people who train spend enough time on the side, not only just strength training or doing any accessory work that can improve their Muay Thai or martial arts overall, but really honing in on their balance. Now, of course, you could just go to class, do the drills, do the training, and you'll gain something. You'll gain a degree of balance just through the training itself. But it's not enough. And if you want more, and if you want to be better, and you want to accelerate or just elevate, then doing some of these things on the side are just going to make you better overall, okay? And balance is crucial. Sometimes the discomfort you feel in your training or your technique is due to a lack of balance. A lot of times when you're sparring and you're doing your techniques and you're throwing your strikes and you're engaged and you get knocked off balance, you're just kind of stumbling all over the place like you've got wobbly legs or you're fighting drunk. All of that is due to a lack of balance. Now, one tip I'll give you before I show you these exercises is visualization or sensation. So you want to have sensory activation. What I do when I'm training and when I'm fighting is as I'm marching, as I'm striking, right? I try to picture like that I'm wearing like a belt, like a tool belt or, World Wrestling Championship, like heavy belt that's just like sinking my hips down. So I'm heavy in my hips, but I'm light in my feet. So I'm light in my feet, but my hips feel like they're sagging, they're just heavy. When I feel heavy through my center, the center of my body, through my core, it's hard to push me around. It's hard to knock me around. So try that. Now let's talk about the exercises. Simple things. Let's start with this. Just lock one foot into the ground. Again, you've got your big toe, your pinky toe, and your heel. See that? So those three things, just picture those locking into the floor, right? And then you just pick up. 3 to 5 seconds. Again, pick up. That's it. Do, 2 to 4 times on each leg. You got to move around, that's okay. Find it. Find your balance. 3 to 5 seconds, that's it. Next, out to the side. You'll also find that you have, which you probably know by now if you've been training, one leg's better than the other, right? That's not just for kicking, that's for balance as well. Two to 4 times each leg, 3 to 5 seconds. That's it. The next one's one of my favorites. It's what we call a catch kick. Is if you were kicking, you're going to catch. And if you watched my other videos, this is part of the exercises or the drills that I gave to improve your head kicks. So again, always protecting your face. Good. Other side. Okay. This one takes a little doing. It's not easy. What ends up happening is people pick up like this, or they grab their ankle and turn their knee down. No, grab towards the knee, and it's got to be at an angle like this, or parallel to the floor. 2 to 4 times, 3 to 5 seconds. The next 2 exercises I got from my physical therapist, and he's also a world champion fighter, Ross Levine. Shout outs to Ross for these exercises. These are great. So I plant my foot into the ground again, lock it into the ground, and I'm going to lean over the foundational leg a little bit, and then forward, back, forward, back. Little semicircles. 3, 4, and 5 on each leg. So again, lock your foot into the ground. 5 little semicircles. Now that one, you're going to do twice on each leg. So that was one set. So I do another set on this leg and another set on this leg. The next exercise, lock that foot in, and then it's like you're going to step in something. Bring it back here. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the right leg, lock it into the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, woo, 5. Again, 2 times on each leg. Now the last one for this balancing workout is just kickbacks. Kickbacks are really easy, really important, and you could do them with body weight, dumbbells, and kettlebells, okay? So what you're gonna face the camera for this first one. What you're gonna do is the hand's gonna be the same hand as the foundational leg or the balancing leg, okay? So I'm gonna come down, kick back, touch the floor. That's 1. Okay, now it's the opposite hand. 2, okay? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. We do 12 so that we get 6 on each hand. Now you do 12 on the opposite leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, lose my balance, 12. So that is a quick and easy balancing workout. Promise you, you're gonna feel the benefits in your Muay Thai. Also, it's just, you get some strength training in your legs and in your core by doing these exercises. Try that workout out, and I hope it elevates your martial arts, specifically your Muay Thai and your kickboxing. We have a new Professor Rad store selling some t-shirts with some of my core principles and some of the sayings that I say in the videos. If you're enjoying the content, please be sure to give us some support. We appreciate it. Rock some of that swag. And if you do, man, hit me up on Instagram. Tag me. Let me know you're enjoying everything. Let me know you support the channel. As always, be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.